death, it loses the sense of smell. It cannot smell even death.
Kumu awang president, prime minister, odon tegre apat magiti lang spiritually.
All the visitors, mourners, vice president, prime minister, and all the leaders, particularly cultural leaders, and all of you in your various capacities. I thank you most sincerely.
Oulanya
Oulanya was not just my son, he was a son to the whole country.
Government me Uganda and permit tobacco doga and to Oulanya tiekere jo amain konyo duong totoan.
I don't want to have to plead a lot with the government of Uganda, but I want the government to know that Oulanya has been taking care of very many people who depended on him. I thought the head of state would be here in person. I believe other duties have not allowed him to be here in person. Now you who has come to represent him, take my message clearly to the head of state. Oulanya started a lot of initiatives back home here. All of them are incomplete.
Government of Uganda
the government of Uganda has started completing the house he started.
Jacob Oulanya.
The government of Uganda should complete the house that Oulanya started. We expect the government to complete that house so that it is put to work, and the income that will come from that house should take care of Jacob's family, including his grandchildren. The children you see in front of you are all children of school-going age. Now they have nobody to support them. They are on their own. I appeal to the government not to abandon them, but to take care of them.